Maybe I find power.
Minimum says score and how.
Of course,
exactly. So shed your mbashe. But qualification the bad thing.
It will not be enough. You see, football na idea a certain funny way he writes his stories. Which unim say nay. Barcelona for that story anopa. Now the reality dawned on them say Enra, even though they were able to win the game 3-0, still now no Atletico ATM Champions League. There's only one thing I ever born with him. That goal they scored at the Wanda Metropolitano. It is someone told back and forth, VAR. I about say also on Gina. You watch the replay, you are like, I didn't know mind the goal. No, you look at the face of the Barcelona people. The big catcher say, the way of football story is here. They will come back to that goal and say, Sankiyaji Sabona. And that is what played out in Ra. Now, on the 18th of April, Atletico Madrid at least will book your first ticket as finalists of this year Copa del Rey na year bono because they were able to beat Barcelona. And even the front page of the Masia newspaper, congratulations to Atletico and that they are in the finals of the Copa del Rey. Now, Rich, Barcelona is hugely successful when it comes to the Copa del Rey. And when it's Barcelona making it to the final in the context of Spanish football, a big achievement at the mount. Big one. At the Maxima, your friend Atletico Madrid. Now, meaning say if Asama Miki, you've observed it too and may a corrector. Rich, even Barcelona free Champions League in him and Copa del Rey in him. But after any game, no, every Barcelona fan seems to be okay.
Sure. Training on the Alice.
I say,
yeah, no, when you
yes, you're film, but with some swag. Let me tell you why I support Barcelona. And it is linked to Enra and why today, this morning, every Barcelona fan feel very, very comfortable. My first affection to Barca was Rivaldo. I loved that player. And during France 98, and I said, Rivaldo to me, I was supporting Brazil. Then I got to know he plays for Barca. And I'm saying, oh, and I'm waiting more and when I'm supporting. Rich, my first unique love for Barca club, no, after Rivaldo, and when I found out they rely so much on their own academic products.
La Masia.
That unique, sorry, no. Rich, where Manchester United need. There is once a woman kitchen kitibia. Am I your love for Manchester United? Who catch you be any pacono on to us yet? But it is a woman who feel sad and warm and until I would do Manchester United, you know. Rich. Enra, Barcelona line up in the Bayern. How many top teams in the world? And on a big night that they need to overturn a 4-0 resource. We'll start in the starting 11 way, and you get Gerard Martin, Kubasi, Marc Benet, Fermin Lopez, Lamine Yamal, Ferran Torres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 players.
All from the La Masia.
From Academy Boys. Big night for a big club. They believe, look, you are our own. Go and do the job. And they are not just academy product too. Rich, they are young guys. 18, 19. But Barcelona trust these guys. it is so unique. And unless you are a Barcelona fan, and I will bet this feeling, that's it. Rich, it gives you some strong attachment to the club. So and how they will be it.
Sankalfa Kotokwa, Nankakro under 20, Nakro bottom beat say, and where teams here, Ebia Mediama B, Samatex, and now baby and go stars.
Kotoko, no, and let's say Kotoko against Mepe Tima Ediana.
Ediana game.
Kotoko ni Ediana.
Now, under 20.
In the you do FA Cup semi-final. Kotoko so share Diana. Then Kotoko ako Doma.
Ako to 4-0.
4-0. Omu befu piasu Kotoko be here. Rich, then Kotoko comes out of the tunnel. And out of the 11 players, 6 of them are from the Kotoko Academy. It tells you how this club is unique in a certain way. And they've been very, very consistent. Any Barcelona golden generation have their own guys as the main people. From Lionel Messi, Iniesta, Xavi, Gerard Piqué, Puyol, Valdez, every good team, Pedro Baye, you get it. Rich, that is special about this club. 18. Look, because I said when I'm alone, I am waiting for Kubasi to get 22, 23. He's 18 years old. And go for crying, every officer, Kubasi Boro Bonina, he's just 18 years. Rich, just picture Kubasi. The unfortunate situation of engineer you feel now, picture Kubasi at 22 years. He will be prime Sergio Ramos. With experience too much of swag as a defender. And see, that is one thing you will love about Tima if any Barcelona. And now, they went into the game with a plan. The 4-3-3 of Barca. They went in with a plan. And now I catch you say João Cancelo will start at left back, Jules Koundé, then Kubasi Martin. Ewo Ehonum Enfifi Marc Bernard, Fermin Lopez, Pedri, then animo 3, led by Ferran Torres, flanked by the 2 players Omoma Barcelona, very, very thick in Lamine Yamal and Rafinha. Then Atletico steps into the game with a 4-4-2. Now, Rich, Usha Atletico 4-4-2 now, my boy now. You see, you will understand why our Cholo we want to play like this. Simply because Bona Obama Barcelona no. On him said, majority of the game, he will have to see his 2 lines of defense tight in your space. Then our 2 strikers in Antoine Griezmann and Julian Alvarez. Griezmann as a very, very composed guy. Obetinya to pass into spaces. Julian Alvarez and Ademola Lookman can run from deep. Now Oma beat Barcelona for high line. No, anytime. Se pass is very, very good. So Barcelona be back. Oma be ball they'll be standing like this. Julian Alvarez or space in him, or space in him. Antoine Griezmann they be around the center line. So on your pass be. Any interception from Koke and answer Cardoso. So much to be Jibono in this space. No much to be finding Antoine Griezmann or space Kakrebia. He just have to throw the pass where the movement of Julian Alvarez, Atletico, and answer Ademola Lookman is on the lookout with the Bobo to space Kakrakawi. These 2 players can run Barcelona high line and create counter attacks now or more happen. So the game plan was superb. But Rich, me assure say, and I said Diego Simeone say I footage in the he will tell his players say, look, Adia and Diamboye cry. I say Barcelona had a plan to bring João Cancelo, take over the flanks, so that Obe pushi Rafinha inside as an inside number 10. So Obe inside the panel, he occupies 2 of our players one centre back, one of your central midfielders. No, and see where there you need to keep an eye on Rafinha in this position. Just couldn't baby, but uchu mutaya, baby alami yama jina wap very wide. No, untimin can't. You get say onunko attacking. You need to add Ademola Lookman to come back to him. Awalami yama huwa. Say onya containing these two players. It gives Pedri the opportunity to also go as an inside number 10 with Fermin Lopez. And see, Barcelona will have a lot of players around Ferran Torres like this. That is the reason why. So share because Barcelona ever Ferran Torres inside the box, Rafinha inside number 10, Pedri inside, Fermin Lopez inside, which the player you least expect to also crash the box. I am Mark Bernard, Obo number 6. It is answer over Dano. You know Antoine Griezmann as your number 10. Only the defensive awareness. Say Mark Bernard only the chi. Into your crossing one boxing Mubiara. All the other players are occupied. Fight defense. Your concentration is high. Your cholo team. You go through the drills now. But nobody will take care of Mark Bernard. Say I had the responsibility of Antoine Griezmann there. We will know. Say it is a risk that we are taking. He will fail us. Until Mark Bernard said 2 goals on the night from deep. 2 goals. And when the goals were saying, you know, he runs in evasively as Samai. Obia who say Oba. Ya crossing ball na Osimina Minye na obobo na to net. Ya crossing ball na Osimina Minye na obobo na to net. And Rafinha edit penalty account. It was a good game. Very, very good game. Barcelona lost the tie in the first leg. Omunjintum. But anyway, you know performance, you know. That is what it was expected of the team. To come all attacking, know their where on the game, you know, and execute a Germany year. That is the reason why after the game, Rich, I see Flake, proud of the team. Captain Araujo, I'm proud of the team. Araujo cried, he was taking like a Nigerian Brozo Masia, Barcelona Bossenia, Omubo and they will win the Champions League. The real officer, the tournaments and the games are different. But I think Barcelona really gave a very, very good account of themselves. But Rich, we will still have to come back and praise Atletico Madrid. I think over the 2 legs, they've done enough to beat Tima, your friend Barcelona. Since I about Camp Nou, 11 games, 11 wins. Rich, that is good. We were counting on the CL with Paris Saint-Germain, and we could score 3. But it was just not enough. Say you beat me a Tima, your friend Atletico Madrid every Munti. Atletico Madrid Abuke take it. And then there's a game between Real Sociedad and the Athletic Club Bilbao. Also and the second Tima Omaji Copa del Rey nipa. But Omoda from 1-0 go into the second leg, no. And Tiabe heard you beat me Aqua Kudru. Medema no si about 2 minutes be on the English Premier League. Mekaipa. When Arsenal a ball draw against Wolves, and who crouch Arsenal to win G League, you know. I'm saying, how do people follow the Premier League? The Premier League, Saudi Arabia, you understand it properly. Rich, since they drew with Arsenal, Ushe games are Wolves about. Against Omo PSV Omo as big clubs and contenders. The next 2 was show me now compare this to the Arsenal results. Then you know so any Arsenal had here. And look at the time we say Liverpool. Time oh yeah, about
20 plus 4.
And go on into net. You look at the reaction of Anna Slot, you look at the face of Liverpool goalkeeper. Now we say, oh, Abobia Kao, Alison Becker, Afe, Neba no the ability no, on your conco be 2. Wolves want to be remembered as giant killers at the die embers of the league. Now, let me show Wolves for another Rich. Me say, Unim yentia and football, especially league be say English Premier League, you know. Which it will continue to excite people. So I will compare it to the Ghana Premier League. Because the whole story is like 11 wonders. Rich. So where are they getting their motivation from? 11 wonders say, Ombo match be any ashom. Look, whoa, so Ombo from say team. But Rich, when you see them play, it is as if there is something they want to hold on to. That makes the league exciting. And among who say yes, you are watching at the high integrity. And then you make interesting games. Money Newcastle game, no. What's the moment?
No. Difficult game. Your best a draw.
Your best will be a draw. Me have predicted over 1.5, over 2.5 in that game.
Okay.
Man City Nottingham Forest. Oh, fear. On paper, Man City should win. Because they know no margin of error. At least on home games today, they must win. But many to tell. Fulham, our double chance over West Ham. Look, Brighton are perform. But they can be stubborn on any night. Rich, say Arsenal, but so Brighton, they must score more than one goal. But they must score more goals to win and then they can't only rely on their set piece to win this game. They must score open play goals to win against Brighton and Overbio. Now, what's your league table here? Give them because of Villa Park and Rich. It is fit for the goals. But I think Chelsea are playing Aston Villa at the right time.
Villa need any form.
Form.
Here's how time we move now because there be 8 matches ni. Aston Villa nya result papa be free. And so Aston Villa now person cut off for the match. This is the game as we win.
So you see, so we are Chelsea so. Now super so rat off for the match. This is the game you have to win. Because
Villa need to know Buffy.
And so which in Amman Full League there's the home and away basis, just for the integrity. You will be given fair play. What I'm saying is say Chelsea was win every league in the top 4. No, you have been given a club a top 4 anymore. So you can now show. And this is the right time to meet them. And they are not informed. And Chelsea see, and they must be able to get the job done. And then you remember how and you know, ABC concern America Wednesday and some Pachenko for no. My combination of a coats, no. Na yetimi enko yenim. Only 2 coats, send it, and another 3. Yeah, I think it's 3 coats from Betway. First one, the rollover code. Then I have 2 other codes. Yeah, meet me at the ama. Inti rollover code no BW41F1 6583. Simple. BW41F1 6583. And then the 2 other codes, I have very, very nice codes. First one, BW41F1 7B9A. And a BW41F1 A297. Into BW41F1 A297, BW41F1 7B9A. I for an echo, 11 oars and 8 oars and the roll over 3 oars, and so our top. Oko also Ayala X, and I said Oko Bismarck also Bempa hyphen Ayala our Facebook, and I said Ayala Sports our Facebook, Oko Telegram, and I said my WhatsApp channel now. On sa ebitimi akakos, and then Chebiwate, and games, very, very, very nice. Ubetimi Eddie, and games, very, very interesting.
I am so can you live and once. Now, more dance be different.